Measuring cups ensure accuracy in baking, where precise amounts of dry and liquid ingredients are crucial for texture, structure, and taste. Use dry cups for solids leveled off, and liquid cups for fluids read at eye level. Measuring spoons are used for both dry and liquid ingredients in smaller quantities. They usually come in a set that includes common measurements like 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon, and fractions of these. Having a reliable set of measuring spoons is essential for precise measurements, especially for ingredients like baking powder, baking soda, and spices. Investing in a good set of measuring cups and spoons will always make your baking more efficient.
Choosing the correct measuring cups for baking is essential for achieving accurate results. They usually come in sets of various sizes: 1 cup, half cup, 1/3 cup, 1/4 cup. Ensure the measuring cups have clear markings in grams or milliliters. This will help you follow recipes accurately. Always level off dry ingredients with a knife or straight edge. Use dry cups for dry ingredients.
A weight scale is used for getting precise measurements of ingredients. It helps ensure accuracy, since different ingredients can vary in density.
Mixing bowls come in various sizes and materials, including glass, metal, and plastic. They are essential for combining ingredients. Having different bowls for liquid and dry ingredients is preferable. Always look for bowls with a non-slip base for stability while mixing. Deeper bowls allows you to sift dry ingredients into the wet mixture directly and hassle-free. A spatula is an essential tool for scraping, folding, and mixing ingredients. Silicone spatulas are particularly popular because they are heat-resistant and flexible, making it easy to scrape every last bit of batter from bowls. They are also great for folding delicate ingredients like whipped cream or egg whites into heavier mixtures without deflating them. Having both a large spatula for mixing and a small one for precision work is very helpful in baking. A whisk is a versatile tool used for blending ingredients, incorporating air into mixtures, and breaking up clumps. They come in different sizes and materials, such as stainless steel or silicone-coated wires. Using a whisk can help achieve a light and fluffy texture in your baked goods, making it a must-have tool in any baker's kitchen.
Basic baking pans include round cake pans, for layer cakes, usually 8 or 9 inches in diameter. Glass Pyrex bowl 5 to 6 inches for baking small serving cakes. Square and rectangular pans, great for brownies. Loaf pans, used for bread and quick breads. Muffin and cupcake pans, they have multiple wells for baking muffin. Cupcake liners or paper or foil cups are placed inside muffin pans. Silicone muffin molds are reusable, flexible, and non-stick. Parchment paper is a heat-resistant, non-stick paper used for lining baking sheets and pans, making it easier to remove food and clean up. Oven mitts are protective gloves designed to help you safely handle hot cookware, baking trays, and dishes.
These tools will greatly enhance your baking experience and help you achieve better results.